do you feed them?
Sugar syrup.
Oh, okay. What got you into beekeeping?
I've always been keen on entomology. And I was a beekeeper when I was at school. And the only people who were allowed to have matches were beekeepers, because you need it for your smoker.
Nice.
And I was quite a heavy smoker myself in those days. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to uncap the honey, which is literally take the top off.
Okay. Oh, I can smell it.
You can see there's two different colours of honey here. There's a pale one, and then there's this darker one. So that would have come two different harvests, probably, two different flowers. So I'm going to turn that over so that any that's dripping will drip out onto the thing underneath.
Oh wow.
So,
it looks almost like sugar. Is that?
Yeah, well, it is really sugary. All different sugars: glucose, fructose, sucrose.
It's lovely.
It's like a good wine that's been allowed to rest. It's
definitely. I mean, they're both amazing, but you can definitely tell the difference between the ages.
Yeah.
It's really noticeable.
Yeah, and it just shows, even though they, normally they should be hard, crystallised hard, but these ones have been very well cared for. They were in a wine cellar. Better.